Dance with all the Gopiya. Thank you.
Sorry. Actually, we would like to just give Deepsika, who is a classical teacher. If you like to learn classic dancing, you can approach her. She has these little children as her students, and yeah, so you just can approach her. I would like to give them all a little present for taking their time and showing some of the original culture of beautiful India. So please come forward with the children and get a little present.